Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Beauregard's Woodshop. Today we will be going over the stages of the design process. The design process consists of emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and finally test. This video will focus on the design phase, also known as the ideate phase. The design phase is broken down into three parts: the brainstorm and research phase, idea phase, and to wrap it all up, the rough sketch phase. In the brainstorm and research phase, this is where you will come up with an idea for your solution. For example, in my design, once you've decided on a folding chair like I have, you will start to break it down into what style of folding chair you would like. As you start to make your list, you can branch out into some other styles such as folding stools. The next stage is the idea stage. This is where you can create a mind map and start to finalize what you want to start building. On the mind map, you'll want your main idea in the middle. For my mind map, I decided to go with a slatted chair that slides together. And all around the idea in the middle, I started to think about how the chair will slide together and store, how many slats will make the chair comfortable, how big does it have to be, and lastly, what will the chair be made of. On a quick side note, if you are unsure of what wood to use for this project, here are some quick tips between hardwoods and softwoods to take note of. The pros for hardwood are longevity, easy maintenance, strength, appearance, and surprisingly, it is a little bit more fire resistant compared to softwood. The cons for hardwood consist of slow growth rate, workability, cost, and refinishing. The pros for softwood consist of workability, sustainability, and cost, as these timbers tend to be way cheaper as they are easier to source. The cons for softwood consist of density, longevity, and fire resistance, as they will go up in flames a lot easier compared to hardwood. Once I have all of that sorted out, I can move on and work on some rough sketches. The rough sketches will help you get a better idea of what you'll want the chair to start to look like come your final result. When you do make the drawings, you want to make sure you draw the chair so you can look at it from different angles. You can also even start to draw what sections and what certain parts of the chair will look like. When you are happy with everything in your ideation phase, you can go right to the next step, and that would be the prototype and test phase, which I will cover in the next video. Happy designing!